everybody. CindyALewis here. Welcome in. It is February 1st, and if you haven't caught the first day one of 100 Days of Tags, please check it out. It is fabulous, and you don't want to miss any of the 100 days. But today I'm announcing my February giveaway, and I'm going to tell you about my journal. It's not out yet. It will be out in the next day or two, and it's going to be amazing. Celebrating the Journey is just a wonderful, wonderful kit. You're going to love it, and you're going to love the whole sentiment behind it, and you're going to want to journal along with me, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, so the February giveaway is today, or starts today, and March 2nd is actually when the drawing is going to be, and that is twofold. One, I will be out of town for a few days at the end of the month, and also I want to give you a couple of extra days to enter, because you can enter every single day. So the word to enter in the comments below every day is birthday, and it's my birthday month, so I'm celebrating all month with you. And so if you put the word birthday, you'll be entered. And if you share the video, you'll be and you put birthday again, you can enter again every day. The prizes are going to be fun, and you'll love that, as well as there may be hidden giveaways throughout the month. As you know, I do slide those in every so often. The prizes and everything follow the YouTube guidelines for giveaways. So you do have to be 18 or older. You do have to be a subscriber for my channel. That is something that I require, because this is one way I celebrate you. And also, let's see, these are for US only. And let's see what else. You can enter every day. You have to put the word birthday, and all the description has in the YouTube description has all the answers, all the guide, all of it. All right, so the first prize is a $20 Amazon gift card. So you can buy whatever craft supplies you want with that are $20 or less. And then I'm going to give away 2 digital printable kits, 2 separate prizes in that for junk journal kits that are on my Ko-Fi site in my shop. So you can go, if you're selected, you can go and pick the one that you would like, and I'll send it to you free of charge. And then these are 1-inch pads. There are 6, and they are the Signature Collection by Sarah Davies, Enchanted Ocean. So the color, these are duet ink pads, so they're pretty cool. And you've got Queen, Conch, Tropical, Shallows, Deep Pacific, Bay Blue, Ocean, Royalty, and Coral Breeze. So I'll show them to you again. And they are these little 1-inch pads. So those will be fun to play with for someone. Then I am also giving a stamp and die set. This is called Fabulous Frame. It's 4 pieces, and it has your die, your stamp, and then a couple of other stamps. This is your sentiment. It says Fabulous Friend. So that's a fun one. It's from the Sunflower collection. And then another stamp and die set will be another prize. And this is Wishing, is a big die. And then 5 other sentiments to go along with it as stamps. So some fun things here to win in the February giveaway. Don't forget to put the word birthday in the comments below, and I hope you'll enter every day. All right, thanks so much for watching, and watch for the 100 Days of Tags videos, One Simple Thing, and what else? The kit, the February kit, Celebrating the Journey. Okay, so I will talk to you again soon, and have a wonderful day.